If it's one thing that I've noticed, it's that these carts that I've been riding around are loud. I think mostly because it's just, there's not really much to them. There's no like insulation, nothing like that. Basically just a sled with a steering wheel. Oh. See in the Crazy Cart forums that people started using this stuff, this vehicle insulation stuff, to kind of cause some sound deadening, or sound dampening even. I've never really, they say it's pretty good. We're gonna install this today, underneath all these Crazy Carts that I have here. Probably just gonna show you this one, because I have to remove the LEDs under this one. But I'm gonna test out the before and after, see if it makes difference. Just as a reference to sound, having that seat positioned where it is really makes it easy to service these carts if you ever need to put it on its back. Well, she's pretty well done. It was not too bad. Actually, really easy to put this stuff on. Seems like it's gonna stick for quite a long time, but I don't know if this is gonna make really much of a difference. So let's find out. So, oh. Ooh. Honestly, I can't tell too much of a difference, so you guys are gonna have to see in the video. Probably won't even make a difference kind of on the road, but I mean, I guess it's waterproofed it quite a bit, but we'll see. Honestly, I'm not too impressed by this mod. I did all the other carts and I threw on the spare stuff that I had on the V1, but I'm not really impressed with the sound outside of, a little less knocking. It feels a little bit more solid. I'm sure it's a lot better for waterproofing the wires, but really, I think this one might be a pass. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these Crazy Cart videos. I have a lot of work to do on these things. Like the license plate, that needs to be silicone back on, and some wires that need cleaning up. So if you like to see the process, stay tuned, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one.